Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about Is Homeaglow Legit? Homeaglow.com review. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. Homeaglow is an online platform that connects customers with professional home cleaning services. If you're considering using Homeaglow, you might be wondering, is Homeaglow legit, or is it a scam? In this review, we'll break down how the service works, what customers are saying, and whether it's worth your time and money. What is Homeaglow? Homeaglow is a cleaning service marketplace where users can book professional cleaners at competitive rates. The platform allows customers to schedule cleanings, choose from available cleaners, and read reviews before making a booking. It claims to offer affordable and high-quality cleaning services with flexible scheduling options. Is Homeaglow legit or a scam? Homeaglow is a legitimate service, but like any platform, experiences can vary. The company operates in multiple locations, and many customers have had positive experiences with professional cleaners providing quality service. However, some users have reported issues with customer support, unexpected charges, or difficulties canceling their plans. Pros and cons of Homeaglow. Pros: easy online booking process. Affordable cleaning rates. Customers can choose their cleaners based on reviews. Cons: some users report billing issues. Quality of service depends on individual cleaners. Customer support can be slow to respond. Homeaglow is a legitimate platform for home cleaning services, but users should carefully read the terms and conditions before booking. Checking cleaner reviews and confirming pricing details can help ensure a positive experience. Would you use Homeaglow? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.